this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the classic nano strokes pattern, and we're going to do the full eyebrows. With the classic strokes, everything remains the same as the basic strokes right here. The only differences would be at the tail. So notice how the hair that goes down at the tail stops right here. Sort of mid or a quarter to the tail, and the bottom strokes sort of like go up like this, touching here. Okay, so that is the only differences, that the little tweak at the very end of the brows. So we're going to put that into steps right here. So again, you're going to divide the brows out as your guideline. We have the front, we have the arch, and the tail. And you want to divide the tail into half, and then from here you want to divide it also into half. And this is actually the point where your spine would touch, like right here, right? Because you have the arch here, the tail. If we split this in half, the point where your spine touch would be half of this. Okay, so we're going to continue to divide the body out into half, the front into half, like so. All right, now I'm going to draw in the front strokes exactly the same as our fluffy front. And obviously, you can plug in different variations of the front stroke into any of your stroke pattern once when you master different variations of the front strokes. But for the sake of practicing, I'm going to use the same stroke pattern. Okay, so after you're done with the very front strokes, you're going to draw your spine, and the spine again also curve up like this. And then remember, gear it towards here, so that way it would touch right there. And it's okay if a little bit of it kind of come out, but it needs to wing down, not out. And then we're going to draw in our bottom strokes, and the distance between them needs to be similar as well. Continue to draw like this. Keep going. Like so. All right. And then I'm going to draw the top strokes exactly the same as the other one. This very last stroke of the top sort of like hugging the frame. Okay, so now we have the main stroke pattern down. I'm going to add the fluff. If it's too small, then you can just divide it in half. Like some of these are quite small, so we're gonna divide it in just half. And the bridge, you can just split it in half. And the front stroke, right here might be small, so I'm just gonna split it in half. Okay, now I still see a little bit of room, so I'm going to add the second fluff. A little bit here. All right, so now you have the classic stroke pattern.